I'm not an enforcer. I'm more like
A fixer.
Exactly. I have to convince a certain person that the body in that trunk out there is indeed Rolo.
Something happened to his face?
What the? It's missing, along with the rest of his head. Betrayal's a funny thing. Its very nature is to catch you unaware. You ever heard a Ring doorbell? We're under attack.
Stan's gone. And you should be too.
I've always had one rule, Sal. Be good to the people who were good to you.
Be good to yourself, Charlie. And get as far away from here as you can.
You turned on your own.
You ought to get out of Biloxi, Charlie.
That's what everyone keeps telling me.
That 50 grand could really change things for me. I'm going with or without you.
Ask Charlie.
I got more men than you got bullets.
Bullets are easy to get.
What do you want?
You, not breathing.
And how you gonna do that?
I'm doing it.
You know, you really ought to start thinking about an exit plan. What are you waiting for? Pull the trigger, Charlie. You're in over your head.
I don't like loose ends.
He was my second best guy.
I'm looking forward to meeting number one.